Hi everyone! I want to recommend you 5 books every animator or animation artist should read. I noticed that most of the recommended books were craft related, like Richard Williams' The Animator Survival Kit. You know, books that teach you how to art. However, I didn't find any lists or videos that included some of the best books I've read relating to animation and life as an artist. So here they go! The first book is The War of Art by Steven Pressfield. This book is meant for artists in general, writers, musicians, you and me. It talks about the struggles you come across when pursuing an art-related career. It's one of those books that will impact you differently depending on when you read it. Some chapters that are not very significant today may change your life tomorrow. The next book was an eye-opener. I read it in high school when I decided to pursue a career in animation, and it's amazing how relevant it continues to be. Creativity Inc. by Ed Catmull. Ed Catmull is Pixar's president, and he's a pioneer in the development of computer graphics. If you've ever used 3D software, you've probably seen his name. It's mainly focused on the leadership aspect of creative businesses, which is why it's widely recommended to non-artists. But it also uncovers the secrets of how Pixar's collaborative environment is successful and their philosophy towards filmmaking, which is why every person related to animation should read it. So if you only read one book from this list, choose this one. The third book is The Illusion of Life by Frank and Ollie. This one is quite recommended when searching for animation books, but it's not going to teach you how to animate. I recommend this book because it narrates how things were developing and how artists needed to invent processes to solve issues while making a film. It's a great book to understand how things started, and it also teaches you to be conscious of how the process of creating an animated film in particular is not written in stone. Like the people from that time, you can adapt and be inventive if that's what your project needs. Of course, using the knowledge and tools we have today. I was shocked that I didn't find videos recommending the following books. The 4th and 5th books of this list, Starting Point and Turning Point by Hayao Miyazaki. Although he did not actually write the books, they are a compilation of articles, interviews, and memoirs, each of them covering more than a decade of his career. It's a peek inside Miyazaki's head, so you'd be reading his thoughts on various topics, from animation to life. I said that if you are only reading one, you should choose Creativity Inc., but you must include these 2 in your reading list as well, just as you must watch Hayao Miyazaki's films. Alright, time to stop watching YouTube videos and start reading. Let me know in the comments if you have read these books, if there are other non-craft animation books that you recommend, or if you read them because of this video, what were your thoughts? Sub, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Léalo, nada más léalo.